Hi friends! Want to draw the fluffiest pup in the world? Let's do it together!
Sketchy!
Let's draw the cutest pup ever, Cinnamoroll! First, draw a smooth curved line for the top of the head. Leave a small gap on each side, then round out the bottom to complete the face. Now, right in those gaps, draw those iconic long ears with a cute curl at the end. Repeat on the other side for the second ear. For the face, draw 2 big round circles for the eyes. Add that adorable little 3-shaped mouth right in the middle! Now, draw 2 small lines going down for the body. Add the tiny hands resting right on the front! Finally, draw those cute little feet sitting so nicely. Now, connect my feet with a neat straight line at the bottom to complete my tummy. Don't forget my signature curly cinnamon roll tail peeking out from the back. Now for the magic part, draw 3 shiny highlight circles inside each eye. And ta-da! My outline is totally finished. Time to color me in. First, paint my big eyes with a rich dark blue base. Fill the shiny circles with light blue, or hey, just leave them white if you don't have light blue. No biggie. Dab some tiny white sparkle dots inside. If you don't have white, don't worry, I'm already super cute. Now, let's add some soft gray shadows on the edges to make me pop right off the page. If you don't have gray, no worries. Just use a pencil lightly, or leave it plain white. Finally, give me squishy pink blush cheeks with tiny white highlights inside. Ta-da! Look at me, I'm all finished and super adorable. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to draw more Sanrio friends? Click here to draw Kuromi and my melody with me next. Join us, subscribe. Let's grow this happy world together.